Once you make your way to the mat, we'll start our practice in an easy kneeling seat. You're doing some wrist stretches to start out, so just roll your wrists in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Flex and extend at your wrist joint and your finger joints. Deviate your wrist side to side and give it a little jazz finger wave. And then place both palms on the mat in your tabletop. Bring your shoulders over your wrist, your hips over your knees. Tuck your toes to lift your hips up high towards the sky. Letting your hips rock left and right, side to side. And press yourself forward into plank pose. And on your exhale, settle your hips back to downward facing dog. Inhale to lift up. Bend your knees. Shift forward into plank, shoulders over wrists. Lifting your hips straight back up to down dog. Lift your right leg towards the sky, drawing that knee towards right elbow and extend. Right knee to left elbow and extend. Then leg back towards the sky, step that foot forward in between your hands. Gently drop your back knee down for a lunge. Both arms lift towards the ceiling as you lift your hips. Exhale to tuck the back toes under to lift the back knee up. Arms lift to high lunge. Bring your palms to heart center as you bend your back knee towards the mat. 2 more times, palms to heart center, drop your back knee. Press the back leg straight as you lift your arms towards the ceiling. Palms to heart center, let your back knee drop. Straighten the back leg, lift your arms. Exhale, fold down into a runner's lunge. Palms on the mat. Step your right foot back to meet the left. You'll be back in downward facing dog. Bend your knees to shift forward into plank. Lift the hips straight up, down dog. Press the heels down. Bend your knees, shift forward to plank. Hips lift straight back, down dog. Last round, shifting forward to plank, lifting your hips up. Left leg reaches towards the sky. Bend your knee, take it in towards the center of your body. Extend the leg long. Left knee to left elbow, extend long. Draw your left knee across the body to right elbow and extend long. And step your left foot forward in between your hands. Drop your back knee down, arms lift to a low lunge. Palms to heart center as you tuck the back toes under to lift the back knee up, and then arms reach to high lunge. Palms to heart center, bend your right knee towards the mat. When you're ready, lifting the arms up and straightening the back leg. Palms to heart center, drop your back knee down. Press the back leg straight as your arms lift towards the sky. And then exhale, bring both palms down to the mat for your runner's lunge. Step back to downward facing dog, lift up high into the toes. And exhale, drop your knees down towards the mat. Bringing your knees apart and your feet together, rest your hips back into child's pose. Root in. This pose is all about stability and support. Just surrender to gravity and the groundedness of this shape. Connecting to Mother Earth. Drawing the mind to the color red, deep ruby, red jasper, raw garnet. Feel grounded and secure in your being and existence. Release your fear. You are safe. All your needs are met. Ground. Build. Grow. And allow yourself to release into the ebb and flow of life. Feel free to remain in this shape for as long as feels good for you and your body. That's the end of our practice for today.